In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add contacts to Yahoo Mail. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to save new contacts so you can email them quickly in the future. Start by opening your preferred web browser. Any modern browser will work. Head over to Yahoo Mail and sign in with your account. Take a moment to make sure you're on the official Yahoo site before entering your login details. Once you're signed in, you'll land in your inbox, and that's where the contacts tools live. Look toward the top right area of the inbox. You'll see a small icon for contacts, often styled like a person or an address book. Click that icon to open the contacts section. This brings up your contact list and the tools to manage it. If your window is small, the panel might feel compact, so it can help to maximize your browser to see everything more clearly. At the bottom of the Contacts panel, click Add a new contact. This opens a form where you'll enter the person's details. Two fields matter most, the name and the email address. These are the required fields that make the contact usable when you compose messages. Type the name as you'd like it to appear when you're emailing them. Using a first and last name usually makes searching easier later. Then add a valid email address. Double-check the spelling here. Even a small typo can cause messages to bounce. You'll also see optional fields, such as company, phone, and notes. These can be helpful if you want to keep track of extra information, but they aren't required. If you're in a hurry, it's perfectly fine to stick to the name and email for now and come back later to add more details. When you're finished, click Save. You should immediately see the new contact appear in your list. That's your confirmation that it worked. From now on, when you compose a new email, start typing this person's name or email address, and Yahoo Mail will suggest the contact so you can add it with a single click. If you ever need to update a detail like a new email address, you can return to the Contacts section, open that contact, make your changes, and save again. That's all there is to it. Open your browser, sign into Yahoo Mail, open Contacts from the top right, select Add a new contact, fill in the name and email, and save. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos like these.